Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Breville Barista Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the three-way solenoid on it because there was basically no pressure inside here. And now we're just gonna test out the machine, starting with the double shot of espresso. I'm using a finer grind on this machine. As you can see, the gauge just moved all the way up and it's extracting all the coffee. Really good crema coming out of the machine. And there you have it, Breville Barista Express working once again. So thank you for your permission Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.